Laneige brand ambassador, Lee Sung Kyung.
Transform me to Lee Sung Kyung, okay? Good morning guys, it is 7:50 AM right now. I'm super tired. On the way to the airport because I'm going to KL with Laneige. Yep, see you guys in a bit. So we are here now at St. Regis. Going up to the room to shower first and then it's off for lunch. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. This toilet is huge. And I also have a dressing walk-in wardrobe. What? There's a table here where I can do my work. That bar looks very appetizing. And I've got a nice package from Laneige. And then this is my bed. I am so blessed and so happy. So I'm just gonna have lunch with the Laneige team and then come back and rest a little bit because the whole week has been pretty tough. Yep, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, we are right now at, where's this place? Central whatever.
Central KL.
Central KL. It's a shopping mall. We're gonna have lunch. Okay, so I am finally done and ready for my gala dinner. So just gonna show you guys what I'm wearing today. Just a romper with a Charles & Keith bag that I can't close. And today I am actually using their new foundation, which I really like, honestly. It is their Laneige layering foundation. So it looks like this. This place is so pretty! So we are gonna be having like a cocktail recep, saying hi to everyone who are here for the party. And we are in St. Regis, so it's inside the hotel as well. Oh. Everyone's taking photos. Back to the room to kind of flash edit some pictures, change into my very comfy sneakers, and off we go for dinner. I'm back in my room. Today has been a really fun day with the Laneige Singapore team, and tomorrow's gonna be a really long day, but I'm very excited because tomorrow is the big day where I'm gonna be meeting my favorite idol, Lee Sung Kyung. Good morning. Today, this is the outfit I'm wearing. Today we are having kind of like a global tour where we are gonna learn more about the brand, the people that is running the brand, and so on and so forth. And I heard there's also going to be a makeover for us, which is kind of interesting because I always love to have my hair and makeup done, especially if it's by Laneige. I'm going to tell them my inspiration will be Lee Sung Kyung, and I mean obviously they're not going to make me look like her because she's already naturally pretty lah. Wow, thank you. This is the new cushion I was talking about. Wow, so we are gonna be attending a class. So right now we are in the hall, and I think we're gonna have like a master class taught by some of the Laneige makeup artists to teach us how to use the layering cover cushion. So I really like this cushion. I have been using it.
Thank you so much for joining us here this morning. We will be starting
this all the shades that they have.
a combination of cushion foundation and concealer together.
For years on YouTube, and I'm very happy because you're one of my biggest inspirations like for my YouTube channel, so I'm very happy. Oh, sweet! So we're now at the Ringgit room. We're gonna have our hair makeup done for the event tonight. Wow! Hello! She's my makeup artist today from Laneige. So she's gonna help me remove my base makeup and transform me to Lee Sung Kyung, okay? She laughed she laughed, why? Be taking our photos. Grace is doing her photos now. The photographer is super talented. Oh wow! Oh my gosh! Wow!
Okay, stop. Okay, go. 1, 2, look down. Nice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good.
So I'm on my way to meet Lee Sung Kyung right now. This is what I did to my hair. Just, I don't know, I'm not feeling like the best today. I feel like my hair is not holding up really well, and I'm like a little bit anxious about meeting her, but very, very excited. And the theme is rose gold, but I don't really have anything rose gold, so I'm just wearing my usual gold dress. So yep. This is how it looks like. So we are here for the party. Everyone is so dressed to the nines. Simone.
We are in black.
Wow. See that to say. Wow. Oh my gosh. I spot myself. Oh my god, that's so loud! Oh really? Yeah! Yay! Oh my god! Oh, we have our names! Yay! So I found mine. Very nicely gold foiled. Oh, there's Astro!
Laneige brand ambassador Lee Sung Kyung.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hello, Kyung.
하고 행복한 에너지 주신 것 같아서 정말 감사하게 생각하고 있습니다. 패키지가 좀 굉장히 스타일리시하고 매력적이어서 언제든지 어디서나 꺼냈을 때 스타일리시해 보인다는 점.
Let's toast for the launch of this greatest innovation, the Laneige layering cover cushion.
We are on the way to the airport. So sad leaving this holiday. See you guys in Singapore. Thank you, Laneige, for this wonderful experience. Yay!